And Facebook has also apologized to the White House social media director Dan Scavino for temporarily blocking some features on his account for a few hours. In a statement, Facebook said that its automated system mistook Scavino for a bot. On Monday, Scavino had posted that Facebook had blocked him from replying to comments on the social media platform, even a reply to other comments on his own posts. Scavino is responsible for several of President and White House's social media accounts. He's also been with the president for years. The U.S. president pounced on the situation and said that he will look into Facebook's decision.
Unfair. So something's happening with those groups of folks that are running Facebook and Google and Twitter. And I do think we have to get to the bottom of it.
Earlier, Trump had accused social media platforms, Facebook, YouTube and Twitter of favoring his Democratic opponents over him and his fellow Republicans.